Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Volvo S60. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter five-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Volvo prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, turn signal indicator mirrors, and air conditioning. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.